here to the man village.
But why?
Because Shere Khan the tiger has returned to this part of the jungle, and he wants to hurt you.
Or me, but I haven't even met him.
He hates man. Man makes fire and hunts tigers with guns.
Oh, we'll just explain to him that I never did that.
You can't explain things to tigers.
But I want to stay in the jungle.
It's not safe for you anymore.
I can take care of myself.
Alone? I don't think so. Now come over here and get some rest. You're gonna need it.
Not safe for me. Huh.
Say now, what have we here?
Oh, it's a man cub. A delicious man cub. Who are you?
Why?
I'm Ka. So nice to meet you.
I've been so hungry for visitors.
Let me go. Silly man cub. Don't you trust us? No.
But don't you understand? I don't want to hurt you.
I just want to give you a big hug. Trust in me, trust in me. Shut your eyes and trust in me. You can sleep safe and sound, knowing I am around. Singing silent slumber, still on silver mist. Slowly assure your senses will cease to resist. Trust in me, shut your eyes and trust in me, trust in me, trust in me.
What's going on? Ka? Hold it, Ka.
My sinuses.
Find your dinner somewhere else, you sniveling sneak.
So sorry. Panther. Think she's so smart.
Come on.
Hop, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4.
Hop, 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 2, 3, 4. On the animal of control.
Is a question rather tall for to mention or feel and know.
It's a military goal. Hop, 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 2, 3, 4. On the links of single file, over every jungle mile. We step and crush through the underbrush. In a military style.
Company. Halt. Then arms. Not like that.
March, march, march. My feet are killing me.
I'm putting in for a transfer to another herd.
Silence in the legs.
Trunk out.
Right, right.
Like this?
Tisk, tisk. Dusty muzzle. Careful, soldier.
Ready for inspection, sir?
Very good, very good. On that one. Heels together, though, girlie.
Okay, Pop. Sir.
A little clip. What happened to your trunk?
Hey, stop
You have my word.
Good. That's where it belongs. And remember, an elephant never forgets.
Yeah, right.
Forward march!
Up, 2, 3, 4, keep it up. 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4. Up.
I think you forgot to say halt.
An elephant never forgets.
Enough of this playing around. We have to get out of here quick before anything else happens. You are going to the man village.
I'm not.
R2.
I'm not.
R2. That does it. From now on, you are listening to what I say. I'm now going to start walking to the man village, and you are going to follow me. Make no mistake about it, you are going home.
I am home, you mean old cat. Who needs you? I can take care of myself. Can't I? Hey, you're not a rock.
Easy
Get out of my way.
there. That's pretty big talk, little britches.
I'm warning you. You're asking for it.
Okay. You want to fight like a bear? Go ahead. Give me a big bear growl. Oh, I'm talking about a big bear. Right from your toes. No, silly. Like this. I just woke up.
You were supposed to stay right behind me.
I'm not hurt.
Let me help you there.
I'm a lot tougher than people think.
Hey, wait a minute. That's not fair. Hey, you win. You win. You're all right. What's your name, kid?
Mowgli, and he's going to the man village right now.
Man village. They'll ruin him. They'll make him into a man.
Oh, Blue, I'm gonna stay here with you.
Of course you do.
And just how do you think you will survive?
How will he survive?
How?
Will he survive? Why? It's easy. All you need are the bare necessities. Right, everyone?
Right! Looking for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I need the bare necessities of Mother Nature's recipes that bring the bare necessities of life.
Wherever I want, wherever I roam, I couldn't wonder of my big farm.
The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. You look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at fancy answer. They try a few. Necessities of life will come to you. Will come to you.
Of all the ridiculous! Baloo, do you see these tiger tracks? Shere Khan is right on our trail. I've got to check this out.
Don't you worry, Maggie. You go on ahead. Little buddy's safe and clean.
Don't move.
We won't, but we can groove. Come on, little buddy. Let's show him how it's done.
Wherever I want, wherever I roam, I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the trees to make some honey just for me. You look under the rocks and plants and take a glance at the fancy ants. They try a few. Yeah! The bare necessities of life will come to you. 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 You. The bare necessities of life. Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Well, that's what I call some swinging jungle rhythm. And Mowgli? Mowgli?
Get mad, baby. Huddle on, huddle on, huddle on, huddle on. Zibba-da, habba-da, zibba-da, habba-da. Zoot, 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 zoot. Rat-tat-tat-tat. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh.